Good morning. Happy Friday, Michael A. Kostick. Today is November the 4th. This is Miss Fletcher. Announcements for today. As the weather gets colder, please remember to bring in those donation items for our winter clothing drive. Thank you to everyone who's brought in those candy treats from Halloween. We're still gratefully accepting them at our school. So, we are sporting Treats for Streets, and you can bring your items to the music room steps. Big Park, when you are playing, please be careful on the ramp. This is not a place to play. It's just a spot to go up and down. Happy birthday to Lila in room 10, Tori in room 20, Daniel in P23, Jawan in room 1. And on the weekend, happy birthday to Emma in room 18. Michael A. Kostick, you have probably seen this poster all around our school. I have one up in my office. There's likely one up in your classroom. And it is a treaty acknowledgement, and a treaty is an agreement between nations. It's like a promise. And I'm going to encourage you to just think about it. I'm going to read it. And we read it at our assemblies. We acknowledge, so we notice, that we're on traditional Treaty 6 territory, a traditional meeting grounds, gathering place, and traveling route to the Cree, Saulteaux, Blackfoot, Métis, Dene, and Nakota Sioux. We acknowledge all the many First Nations, Métis, and Inuit whose footsteps have marked this land for centuries. Just notice, they're not just words, they mean something. The actual land. So when you're outside playing on the park, in the playground, in the field, that land matters. All right, joke for today. This is going out to Jaden in room 6. What do ducks get after they eat? A bill. Have a safe, fun weekend.